NIO manager officially reveals July deliveries. NIO stock makes insane news. We have got for you all the latest updates regarding NIO stock, and today again we've got even more, so welcome back to Stock Market News. We have all you need. Without wasting any time, let's get right into this video as soon as possible. And make sure you please hit that bell icon and subscribe to our channel so you always get every single update from us and more of our amazing videos. If you're interested in stock marketing or investing or any other type of stock-related activity, you've come to the right place. So let's begin. In terms of electric vehicle sales in China for the month of July, XPeng maintained its lead over Li Auto and NIO. On Monday, the 200,000th Li electric SUV drove off the manufacturing line, and the EV startup claimed that this milestone was reached at record speed. However, the stock of Li Auto led the gains in the market. Recently, each of the three startups stated that electric vehicle sales in China in July were significantly higher than in the same month a year ago, despite being significantly down in June, which had been a very successful month. NIO saw lower sales in July and for the year to date compared to XPeng, but the company anticipates an improvement in EV production as supply challenges become less of an issue. In July, NIO delivered 10,052 electric vehicles, representing a year-over-year increase of 27%, but a month-over-month decrease of 22% in comparison to June. The month of July saw sales of 7,579 SUVs, in addition to 2,473 sedans. NIO did not, for the first time, break down deliveries according to the specific model. However, it appeared that more recent models were negatively affected by supply difficulties in the midst of a COVID comeback in that country. According to a statement that was made by NIO in a release that was made on Monday, the production of the ET7 and the EC6 in July 2022 was hampered by the supply of casting parts. NIO, on the other hand, stated that it's maintaining close relationships with partners on the supply chain and anticipates an increase in output for the remainder of the current quarter. NIO, situated in Shanghai, was struck particularly hard by the COVID lockdowns, and as a result, the company's sales have generally lagged behind those of its upstart competitors so far. NIO made 60,879 sales of EVs in the first 7 months of the year 2022. NIO also said on Monday that there will be 1,047 battery swap stations in China, in addition to more than 10 million battery exchanges. During the third quarter, it plans to launch 2 brand new models. NIO stock increased by 2.2% to a price of $20.17, falling short of session highs but still surging further above the 50-day moving average. The price of the stock still lower than its falling 200-day line. The relative strength lines for U.S.-listed China electric vehicle stocks such as NIO are behind where they should be. The majority of them saw gains in May and June, but in July they crashed due to renewed concerns about the United States delisting them. According to preliminary estimates provided by the China Passenger Car Association in late July, retail sales of so-called new energy vehicles in China are anticipated to reach approximately 450,000 units in the month of July. These vehicles include fully electric, hybrid plug-in, and fuel cell electric vehicles. This represents an increase of 102.5% when compared to the same month last year. However, this would represent a 15% decrease from the record-breaking month of June, when sales were boosted by additional subsidies and pent-up demand due to lockdowns. It's likely that the rapidly expanding EV company BYD was responsible for a significant portion of the NEV sales last month. Early in the month of July, there was news of an outbreak of COVID in the province of Anhui, which is home to big NIO and BYD facilities. Newer reports suggested that high heat had a negative impact on store visits and test drives in the month of July, while China's economy continued to show signs of pressure. Although NIO cited a lack of parts as the reason for curtailing the manufacturing of its ET7 luxury automobile, the most recent reports from Chinese media indicate that the electric vehicle supply chain may be stabilizing. According to a story that was published late on Friday by CNEV Post, a meeting of the State Council has reportedly confirmed the renewal of the purchase tax exemption for electric vehicles. At the end of 2022, the exemption was scheduled to become invalid. In recent months, Beijing has given numerous hints that it was considering taking such an action. But there are some problems with the supply chain. NIO's been one of the electric vehicle companies that's been hardest hit by the problem in the supply chain. While making the announcement of the deliveries for the month of July, it said that the production of the ET7 and EC6 was hampered by the supply of casting parts in July 2022. The company's been collaborating closely with partners in that supply chain, and it anticipates a quickening of the pace of vehicle manufacturing in the subsequent months in the third quarter of 2022. NIO is increasing its production capacity and just last year came into an agreement with its production partner JAC Motors to increase the annual production capacity to 240,000 vehicles from the previous 100,000. However, the ramp-up had been slowed down because of problems with the supply chain. Chips are still in short supply for automobile manufacturers, despite the fact that the chip crisis affecting electronic device manufacturers has alleviated and we now have an overcapacity. Short seller Grizzly Research has accused NIO of accounting fraud and stated that the firm increased its revenue by engaging in transactions with Wuhan Weining, an unconsolidated related party organization. In the beginning, NIO disregarded these findings and issued a statement that read, "The research is without merit and contains various inaccuracies, unsupported guesses, and misleading conclusions and interpretations of information relating to the company." In a later statement, the company revealed that it's established an independent committee consisting of independent directors Mr. Denny Ting Bon Lee, Mr. Hai Wu, and Ms. Yu Long to undertake an independent inquiry on the claims presented to the short seller report. On the other hand, given the company's powerful brand and support it receives from China, Wall Street analysts are quite bullish on the stock. Tim Hsiao, an analyst for Morgan Stanley, recommended purchasing NIO shares in June and referred to doing so as a tactical move. NIO intends to establish a factory in Hungary. Both NIO and Xpeng Motors, two of the most prominent Chinese EV manufacturers, are actively growing their operations in Europe. NIO's products are now manufactured in China before being shipped to several European countries for sale. It has recently disclosed plans to build a factory in Hungary that will manufacture power goods for sale in the European market. It's possible that electric vehicle manufacturers may make Europe their next target. While Tesla's increasing production at its Gigafactory in Berlin, Volkswagen's working to strengthen its already dominating market position across the continent. Both Ford and General Motors are increasing the manufacture of their electric vehicles, with Ford predicting a production run rate of 14,000 EVs for the month of July. Ford anticipates having the capacity to produce 600,000 electric vehicles by the end of the year after the current one. There are rumblings that Apple's thinking about getting into the electric car and autonomous vehicle markets as well. On Friday, the corporation announced its earnings for the quarter that ended in June, and they were significantly better than anticipated. In addition, the company forecast a lower than expected loss of less than $4 billion in sales for the quarter due to problems with its supply chain. Well, that'll do it for today, folks. Our video for today is over. We hope you really liked our video, and if you did, please make sure you click the like button and tell all your friends and family about it. Also, keep in mind that this channel is not meant to give financial advice, and we don't recommend investing in any particular company. Let us know in the comments section below if you have any questions or thoughts for us, or give us any other kind of feedback you may have. Don't forget to check out our YouTube channel so you can watch more of our amazing videos. And make sure you press that bell icon on your way out. That way you're always updated when we have new notifications on our channel, which we do all the time. Hey, we can't wait to see you in our next video. Thanks for spending time with us today, and have a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching.